Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can read by the title, I'm going to show you how to use your old device that's laying around as a home security camera. And without more further ado, subscribe to the channel and let's get right to the video. So the first thing you want to do, right, is download this application on any device, wherever device you want. It's called the Alfred camera, right? Or the Alfred camera home security, right? And then when you download it, right, it will tell you to set up later or do whatever. And then after you finish, you log in, right? When you first open it, it will take you to here, right? And then you just get started, and then you use your Gmail or whatever accounts you want to use, but you have to make sure that you use the same two accounts on both of the devices, right? So let me log in now and show you what I mean by that. So we just continue, and then now I'm logged in both of my devices, right? So now I'm gonna use this one as a no viewer. Well, actually, it's don't allow. Let's allow. I was gonna use this one as a viewer and this one as a listener, but since this is already done it already, I'm just gonna use this one as a viewer, right? So as you can see, this one is the camera, right? And this one is viewing, is showing live now, right? And from here, we can access this one from here, right? So if we go here, what we're seeing here is what this is showing. So this is showing the letters on here, and the little sign that I have on here is showing it, and I can see everything on here, as you can see, live. So this, you can use this, even this little swords on this side, you can use it as well. Even I have some things on the wall, you can see that on here and read it on here perfectly if you wanted to. So this is pretty cool thing to do, right? So as you can see, this works seamlessly. You can use this one as a viewer, the other one as a camera, and you can switch it around. You can change it around depending on which one you use as a camera, and you can use maybe this one as a viewer. You see this one as a viewer, right? And then this one will use it as the camera. So okay, so we use this one as a camera. We continue. We just allow while using this app. Notification we don't allow. Okay, we give access to everything. We allow everything. Allow everything. I'm going to give access to the camera on here now, and then we will see how this will straightforward allow me to watch it from here, and I can use this to do the security, right? So now this is the camera now, right? This is the camera I'll be using now. Let me continue on my Google again. So let me sign in from here again. I don't know why it's telling me to sign in back in. Okay, now we just sign in, right? So as you can see, we have the live on there. So we just use this one as a security camera. So let me bring in one more thing. Let's use this as the base, right? Since this one is here, the user manual on that, on the OBD, we'll put that on there, press live, and yes, you can see we are connected, right? So if you left your phone at home, and then maybe you have a kid or you don't want to buy a monitor or whatever, you can also play back, you can also talk, which is really nice thing to do with this basic app, right? And it's free to do. If you wanted to, you can upgrade it, but I think the free version is pretty cool, pretty nice, and you don't have to do a lot. And this is one of the best apps you can use for an old device that you have laying around. So that's all for today. If you want to know about more awesome apps you can use on your phone, just comment it down below and then subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. Support this small YouTuber, and until next time, you beautiful people, bye.